Man, we rolled the tightest, most delicious fatties last week. Check it out. Man, my favorite part about cooking on the WyldSide, just being able to build a fire and throw some meat on that bad boy. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for us. We do a lot of awesome giveaways. Actually, last week's winner was Mr. Jason Snyder. Congratulations, bud. You guys want to check out an awesome giveaway? Check out this week's video.